Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a Win32 MDI file editor application. So as you can see, we're in Embarcadero C Builder, so you can go to File, New, Project, and there's a Win32 tab, and you can select MDI editor example here, and with C++. By creating this project, you will get these three main files. There's a resource file, and a header file, main header file for user interface elements here, and our main C++ application. So what is MDI? MDI means multiple document interface. That is a specification that defines a user interface for applications that enable the user to work with more than one document at the same time. Typical MDI application is displayed in a separate child window within the client area of the main application's main window. An MDI application has three kinds of windows: a frame window, an MDI client window, as well as number of child windows. The frame window is like the main window of the application. It has a sizing border, and a title bar, and a window menu, and also a minimize button and a maximize buttons. An MDI application doesn't display outputs in the client area of the frame window. Instead, it displays MDI client window. The MDI client window is a special type of child window belonging to the pre-registered window class MDI client. The client window is a child of the frame window. It serves as the background for child windows. It also provides support for creating and manipulating child windows. So let's see what we can get by this application. Click compile and run. And as you can see, we have MDI file editor application. You can select new here, or click this button, and you'll get child window. To create a child window, an MDI application either calls the create MDI window function or sends the WM MDI create message to the MDI client window. And to destroy a child window, an MDI application sends a WM MDI destroy message to the MDI client window. So here you can see we got a WMD proc function here, and you can see here we're creating a child window by sending a message. The message is here WM MDI create. As you can see, we have two functions: load file and save file. To loading and saving the file, you can see, and these functions are used in the MDI child WMD proc function. Moreover, when you create several child windows, you should manage the child window activation, because any number of child windows can appear in the client window at any one time, but only one can be active. So the active child window is positioned in front of all the other child windows, and its border is highlighted. It's gonna be top of all the child windows. So to activate a child window, an MDI application sends another message. The message is WM MDI activate message to the MDI client window. As the client windows processes this message, it sends a WM MDI activate message to the window procedure of the child window to be activated, and to the window procedure of the child window being deactivated. So here you can see there is a WM MDI activate function to activate the child windows, and you can see all the code here. And moreover, system also does many things. For instance, system keeps track of each child window's position in the stack of overlapping windows, and user can activate next child window in the Z order by clicking next from the window menu in the active window. And the application activates the next child window in the Z order by sending a WM MDI next message to the client. And here in the WinMain function, there's this function here. So this function translates WM keydown messages into WM syscommand messages and sends them to the active MDI child window. If the message is not an MDI accelerator message, the function returns false, in which case the application uses the translate accelerator function to determine whether any of the application defined accelerator keys will press it. If not, the loop dispatches the message to the appropriate window procedure. So as you can see, this is the main part. So thank you for watching. If you'd like to know more about MDI application development, be sure to check out our blog post and stay tuned for new video tutorials on Embarcadero C++.